Okay, it's Walker Bradley. Safety is his middle name.
No, it's not.
Alright, is the safety on? Speaking of safety.
Pressed it.
Alright.
I'm gonna make Brett proud. So go.
Alright, yeah, let's hear it plink.
Jam.
Alright.
Maybe
Hope it
you
doesn't
do
jam
with
up.
one hand, but then you can't do
Let's hear it clink.
Jam.
Alright. Yeah, tilt it so it comes out. You see one go in?
Huh? No. Right. You have to pull it. Yeah, it's in. You have to pull it back though. Not the cleanest gun, but you do.
It is not. Careful with it.
Oh yeah.
That's a good one.